How do you set up a Pinterest shop and become a verified merchant on the platform? Hi everyone, I'm Lydia. On this channel we talk about social media marketing for business, so if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So do you want to become a verified merchant on Pinterest, get the blue check, and people be able to shop on your profile? In this video, I will take you step by step on how to do that. As a verified merchant on Pinterest, here are your benefits. First, you will get the blue check on your Pinterest profile, and people will know that you are a verified merchant and that they can purchase product from your account. That will increase visibility and will increase credibility for your Pinterest account as well. This will let people know that they can trust your brand and shop from you because it was verified by Pinterest. The next benefit is that your products will be visible on your profile under the shop section, as well as your product collections, and you'll be able to tag products in posts and people will be able to shop from you. You will get the unique analytics called conversion insights, when you will see how many people added your products to cart, how many people checked them out, how many people clicked on your specific product. This program is now available only in the listed countries that you can see on the screen right now, and it will become available soon in other countries as well. But let me tell you how to get this feature. The first thing you need to do is to claim your website. If you haven't done that already, you will need to go to your Pinterest settings, go to claim, and then click on website. They will give you a special code that you will need to insert on your website in the head section of your website, and then once they verify that, you'll be able to go back and click verify, and it will show your website as claimed on your Pinterest profile. That will let people know that you own that website and that it is safe for them to click on your website on your Pinterest profile. The next thing that you'll need to do to get this feature is to create a catalog, a data source that Pinterest will get your product from. And you will also need to set up the Pinterest tag. On the screen right now, you will see the required fields for a data feed and all the formats that they support for that data feed, a CSV file and all the others. The next thing, after creating your data feed and have added all of your products, you will need to add your data source. You will need to log into your Pinterest business account from a computer, click on ads, catalogs, enter your data source URL. It must begin with the ones that you see on the screen right now. You will need to select the file format, set availability, the country or region, the language, the default currency, time zone, and all the other things. After that, you will need to test your feed if you've decided that everything is added correctly. And the last step is to click validate feed and then create pins. You will need to wait while your feed is in review, and you will receive an email from Pinterest telling you if you have been accepted or if there are some errors with your data source that you'll need to review before applying again. So this is not a hard process, but you will need to create that data source. You can get that data source from your website. You can export all of your products if you have a lot of them, or you can add them manually to make sure that you've added them right and you won't get any errors in the data feed. So this is it. This is how you become a verified merchant on Pinterest when you sell products and you want people to be able to shop on your profile and to see that you are a verified merchant. If you have any questions about this process, or if you need somebody to set the Pinterest shop for you, I offer this service. So if you want to get in contact with me, please contact me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess or on my email at lydia@incomingsuccess.com. So that was it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it and it helped you out in creating a Pinterest shop. If it did, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.